不過呢，先同大家睇下你哋都好期待嘅藝術項目。香港藝術館經過4年嘅閉館，耗資接近10億港元嘅翻新之後，喺11月30號終於重新開放俾公眾參觀。翻新之後嘅香港藝術館展覽空間由原來嘅7000平方米增加去到現時大約1萬平方米，總共多咗40%嘅地方做展覽。
香港博物美術館喺1962年成立，最初位於香港大會堂高座嘅最高3層。其後喺1975年，香港博物美術館分拆成香港歷史博物館同埋香港藝術館。8年後，香港歷史博物館搬去九龍公園附近，而香港藝術館就喺1991年搬去尖沙咀。展覽面積由700平方米增加到7000平方米。2015年8月，藝術館閉館進行裝修工程。裝修後唔單止有更多展覽空間，設施質素亦有提升。而藝術館就喺11月30號重新開放俾公眾參觀。
We used to share the same pink tiles of the entire cultural center complex. Now we have put a new fiberboard cladding. The design is more contemporary chic. The inspiration comes from the ocean, really. So if you look closer, you'll find our facade has a certain movement that's almost like the wave at the ocean. Not only the ground floor lobby has more connectivity, but also some of our new spaces, such as the new gallery on the 5th floor, enjoys a 207 degrees of city view and harbor view.
香港藝術館英文簡稱為 HKMOA， 館藏有17000幾件藏品，開幕展更加舉辦11個展覽。
Our collections is composed of 4 pillars, if you want, based on the nature of the collection. These 4 cores are Chinese antiquities, Chinese painting and calligraphy, China trade art, and modern and Hong Kong art. So you can see this is very much who we are. Our collections is our identity.
其中一個重點專題展覽係觀景景觀，從泰納到霍克尼。展覽由香港藝術館同倫敦嘅泰特美術館合辦，展出76件由泰特美術館借出嘅藝術品，當中包括大師泰納 Joseph Millot William Turner 同埋康斯塔伯 John Constable 等等嘅畫作，仲有當代藝術家霍克尼 David Hockney 嘅最大型嘅油畫作品。
The exhibition is a journey that you would go through from the early painting to the modern painting. It's covered 300 years of British landscape painting's development. Tate arranged, organized an exhibition under the same theme, and they have been exhibited in Shanghai and Beijing last year. This exhibition got the same theme, but we have about 45% different exhibit than the Shanghai one and the Beijing one. We asked the Tate to give us more Constable and Turner's work. We specially curated a section and only for the Constable and Turner, and that will be the special about the exhibition. Actually, we are very happy to have David Hockney's, the largest painting that he has ever painted. It consists of 50 panels, and it's around 4.5 meters times 12 meters, so it's a very huge painting. And Hong Kong people would love to see Mr. Hockney's work, and we have one, so we are very lucky and honored to have the work.
另一個開幕展覽名為《從訓康到餐車：吳冠中誕辰100週年展》。香港藝術館上年接收咗由吳冠中同佢嘅家人捐贈接近300幾幅吳冠中嘅作品，成為全球擁有吳冠中作品最多嘅藝術館。今次展覽展出100幾幅吳冠中嘅畫作，回顧佢超過半個世紀嘅藝術創作。
而家我哋藝術館咧係擁有450幾件咧吳冠中先生嘅作品或者啲文獻嘅嘢咧，好豐富。佢唔單止係個數量，個質素都好高。我哋基本上可以反映佢即係一生嗰個藝術術嗰個經歷咧，都喺呢啲藏品裏邊見到。糞坑係乜嘢咧？就係咧喺即係北方嘅地方呢啲農村咧，佢攞嚟斟牛屎嘅一個藤籃。咁原來吳冠中先生咧，佢喺文革嘅時候咧，就即係下放去農村啦，啲田邊嗰度寫生，佢就攞佢咧平時要佢執牛糞嘅嗰個藤籃咧，就擺佢啲工具落去，就孭住個藤籃度咧，有啲學生咧同埋啲朋友咧就笑佢，話佢係糞坑畫家。喺呢個展廳裏邊咧，就係由呢個糞坑時期開始講佢文革經歷咗過咗文革之後咧，一路咧去到開始慢慢佢成名啦，開始有自己嘅畫畫嘅地方啦，但係佢都堅持好淳樸、好素樸咁樣繼續藝術創作。文革過後啦，就跟住咧全中國周圍去，佢畫好多畫都係喺江南地區，所以佢畫好多啲江南嘅風景啦。佢並唔係咧真係見到一個實景佢就畫出嚟嘅，而係佢消化晒、升華晒，融合咗東方嘅、西方嘅、油畫嘅、水墨嘅，出現咗佢自己一套嘅風格。因為從糞坑到餐車，餐車就代表都市啦。咁我哋亦都好多一啲佢畫城市嘅作品，咁特別咧同香港好有關嘅。佢嚟到香港受到感受嘅時候咧，畫一啲大都市嘅一啲繁華繁囂。我哋而家藝術館450件作品係佢捐出嚟嘅。歷史上邊在生嘅畫家、過身之後嘅畫家，邊一個係咁大批嘢捐出嚟？咁佢係捐咗一份情懷俾我哋嘅。
藝術館仲希望追溯香港藝術嘅傳承，以及檢視呢個城市嘅創作歷史，同時加深公眾人士對香港藝術嘅了解，促進對話。因此，亦有構思相關嘅主題展覽，透過融合傳統與現代、東方與西方、本土與國際，創造獨特嘅身份，並回應香港作為中西文化交匯點嘅藝術發展。
今次我哋香港藝術館裏邊咧有2個同香港藝術好有關係嘅展覽。第一個咧就係我哋香港經驗、香港實驗呢個展覽。我哋透過我哋嘅館藏，將100年嚟香港藝術裏邊一啲嘅主題同埋唔同藝術家嘅作品咧，用5個展區展示出嚟嘅。或者係同一個年代啦，或者係同一種嘅藝術思潮影響之下嘅作品嚟嘅。喺呢個展覽裏邊咧，我哋有86件嘅展品，包括咗咧係69位嘅藝術家嘅創作。 咁另一個喺我哋5樓新空間結集咗，成為原點變奏香港視點呢度另外一個展覽。你都會見到個展廳裏邊係有一個270度嘅一個玻璃幕牆啦，咁佢個樓體亦都比較高啦。咁其實喺呢個設定裏邊，我哋都希望咧將來更加多一啲咧係實驗性強啲嘅作品，俾藝術家可以因應我哋呢個建築嘅空間、建築嘅一啲嘅特色，同更重要嘅就係同我哋周邊能夠見到外圍環境嘅特色咧係互相結合起嚟嘅。
And so we hope that through our exhibitions and our programs, our visitors will be able to enjoy this world of contrast, and yet with a better idea of what the museum is all about.